Hey, what's up everyone? Brendan Dunn, co-founder of RightMessage here. I wanted to show you a quick video that I hope will blow your minds. I hope by the end of this you'll be thinking, oh my God, why aren't I doing this on my own website? But what we're going to be doing is I'm going to show you using an actual website that is owned by somebody who's not a RightMessage customer. I have no affiliation with them at all. How we could leverage referral-based personalization, or not referral-based, but specifically landing page-based personalization for a business. So the business I'll be picking on today is Ambassador. They do affiliate marketing software. They target a few different types of needs that people have. So some people are interested in referral marketing, others affiliate marketing, influencer marketing, and so on. And these are kind of different people or personas, I guess you could say, that have different needs, that expect different language, that are going to want to see a more personalized experience just for them. So here's what we're going to do. I've gone ahead and I'm using this thing called Tamper Monkey, which will let me forcibly inject our tracking code into this site that I do not control. So I've got this Chrome extension running that is putting the RightMessage tracking code into this site on my machine. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to walk you through exactly how we can make it so, depending on the landing page, depending on if they land on, say, influencer marketing, how we're going to change the whole experience that somebody has site-wide based on that. So if somebody's Googling around, and I'll show you this for influencer marketing software, we're going to then change their entire on-site experience. So let me show you RightMessage real quick. So with this is a brand new account. I've done nothing to it except adding a few different segments. So I added within the need type, which is kind of like I tried to match it to the solutions list. So referral marketing, affiliate marketing, and influencer marketing, partner marketing, and so on. I didn't add partner. Let me add partner. But what I did is I basically just set up these different segments where we're looking at specifically the landing page, right? So if they landed on the referral software landing page, which is this, meaning if they Googled this and landed here organically, or maybe Ambassador drove paid traffic to this page, whatever the case, if they come here first, we're going to assume that they're looking for referral marketing software. Influencer marketing, same deal. If they land on an influencer marketing platform, we're going to assume that's what they care about. Or we can expand this and say if they came from a certain domain, or they clicked on a certain ad, or whatever else, put them in that segment. So I've defined a few of these segments. And now I'm going to go in and actually personalize based off if somebody is a member of one of these segments. So I'm going to skip integrating with an email service provider or CRM. Again, I don't have access to I think they use HubSpot. I don't have access to that, but I am going to set up a campaign. So I'm going to create a campaign where I'm going to call this personalize by need. I'm going to attach this to the need type segment group that I had created that I just showed you. And I'm going to go into it. So this is the editor. You can see up here in the segment dropdown, these are the 4 different sub-segments in this group that I've defined. So referral, affiliate, influencer, and partner. And I've got basically their website here. So here's what I want to do. I want to make it so if somebody lands on this page, this influencer marketing platform for the modern marketer, and then they start looking at the pricing, which doesn't say anything about influencers, or they go to the home page, or they go to the customers page. I want there to be continuity. I want to maintain something about basically the thing that the person was searching for originally. So I'm going to show you just how quickly that is to do within RightMessage. So I'm on their website. I'm going to target the influencer segment. So people who organically landed on that influencer landing page. I'm going to do a few things. First things first is I want to go over to the pricing page. So I'm in navigate mode on. I'm going to turn it off now. And I want to change this headline. I want to say plans for all influencer marketing needs or something like that, right? So plans for all influencer marketing needs. Cool. That's done. I want to switch over now to the home page. And I want to make it so if they're on the homepage and they're in the influencer segment, I want to say something like best software for influencer marketers, Cool, that's done. Maybe I would change a few testimonials out. Maybe I'd make these logos change. Why referral marketing? That should probably be why influencer marketing, right? So the language maintains. We would just really want to make continuity kind of across the whole site, depending on what segment we put them in. And again, we can define a segment by where they landed on originally, the site that sent them, the ad that they clicked on, or whatever else. Okay, so I'm happy with this. One last thing I want to change. I'm going to go to the customers page, and I'm going to change this headline. And let's feature, some influencer case studies. So, if they click on customers, they should be seeing people who are also influencers who have used this software. Again, we want to make it almost like a software that's designed specifically for people who have a need that, or have an influencer marketing need or something, right? So cool. I've done this. It's all set up. I'm going to go ahead and publish this. I'm going to click publish. Campaign's been published. I could set up and track this, which is really cool. I could go and define a goal that says, if they go to, let's say request demo, it looks like that's something they want to get people to do. I'm going to request demo. Going to go into navigate mode. So this is a page called request demo. I'm going to say that if they view this page, so they view request demo, cool. Then that's a conversion for me, right? So I'm going to republish this now. We have a conversion event, which is people who have requested a demo. So this is live. We're collecting data. It says check back later. But for all intents and purposes, this is now a live campaign. It's published. And again, I'm forcibly injecting our script, which we can access here, the snippet. I'm forcibly injecting this into Ambassador's site right now, so I'm going to be able to see what they'd be seeing if they were using RightMessage. So let's simulate kind of what happens. So I'm somebody who cares about influencer marketing. I'm Googling around for modern influencer marketing platform. I look at the results, a bunch of paid stuff or ads, and then, oh, look at this, influencer marketing platform for the modern marketer. That sounds great. I click over. Now remember, we didn't change this page. This is the landing page that's already super personalized for people who care about influencer marketing. So I'm looking this over. Cool, this looks great. I want to find out more. I'm going to go to pricing. And what are we going to see in a second? Plans for all influencer marketing needs. Now, you notice there was a flash. If this was running on Ambassador's site for real, what we have customers do is we have them put certain CSS classes on anything shown above the fold, which makes it so that flash doesn't even happen. So it looks a little awkward now, but again, I don't control the site, so I can't put that CSS class on it. But basically, if this was actually in production, you wouldn't notice that flash. But okay, so I came here, I'm looking at the pricing. Cool, I'm seeing stuff about influencers. This is cool. This looks like it's meant for me. I go back to the homepage, and again, I haven't been to the homepage yet. So I go to the homepage and best software for influencer marketers. Wow, look at that. They're talking to me. Why influencer marketing? Wow, they're talking to me. I want to go find out customers who uses this. Influencer case study. And again, this would be almost immediate if this was in production and live, but because of this Chrome extension thing I'm using, it's a bit delayed. And there's that flash. But again, now I'm looking at customers and I'm seeing people who are like me. I mean, people want to see themselves in the product, right? So you saw how quickly I was able to do this. I was able to rapid fire click on whatever I want. So, change this, case studies of influencers or something. I don't know. I change it. I click publish, done. I mean, that's it. So I'm really excited about this because I think I've seen for myself a ton of success in implementing personalization campaigns like this that, again, don't take much time. I did that in less than 5-6 minutes. And granted, my copywriting wasn't really that great, but had I spent a little more time focusing on thinking, well, if somebody landed on this landing page, meaning they're in a certain segment, they're an influencer, well, what can I show them? What can be different for them based on that? So that's RightMessage. If you have any questions about using it or want to get set up, head over to rightmessage.com. And yeah, hope you enjoyed.